Hello everyone, today I am teaching you how to use in preposition according to different situations. We should know how it is used according to the right situations. Most of the time we get confused. Even we have been getting confused for a long time. Today I am going to help you. On the board you can see, you can take this example as a room. There is someone standing in this room. Now we are going to read these things. In a room, in a shop, in a car, in the water. Now look at the second example. In a garden, in a town, in the city center, in Paris. Now look at these two examples very carefully. Now we are going to learn with some more examples. Where is your mother? She is in the kitchen, in Paris, in the garden. Now look at the second example. My friend works in a bank, a shop, a factory. We had a swim in the river. I live in Paris. He meets me in the city center every day. Now you have been able to understand how it is used. Thank you.